This footage was recovered. The device was not. 3:17 a.m. The homeowner wasn't expecting anyone. The porch light turns on automatically. No one is there. 00:52. The motion sensor activates again. Still nothing. But the audio picks something up. A low hum. 00:41. The camera distorts for half a second, like heat bending the air. 00:32. The front door handle moves, slowly, from the inside. 00:25. A shadow stretches across the porch, but it's cast in the wrong direction. 00:14. The door opens. No one steps out. 00:09. The camera glitches. For one frame, something stands at the edge of the lens. Too tall. Too close. 00:04. Wait! But no one is outside. 00:00. Door slams shut. The feed cuts. Police recovered the footage from the cloud. They never found the homeowner, and no one ever knocked.